Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Clean Beauty subscription box, and the subscription box that I'm doing is by the brand Clean Routine Beauty. This subscription box costs $30 a month. You can do a 3-month subscription, 6-month subscription, or a 12-month subscription. Or you can just subscribe to one box and try it out and then decide if you want to keep subscribing to them. It is cheaper in the long run if you choose a subscription plan. So 3-month subscription one is $74.99. The 6-month subscription is $159.99. And then the 12-month subscription is $279.99. So it does save you money in the long run. Alright, so let's get to the unboxing. So this is what the outside of the box looks like. It says, discover beauty brands that put your health first. So this is a clean subscription box. You don't have to worry about getting products that have toxic ingredients in it. Everything that is going to be in this box is going to be clean and safe to use. Here is a little paper, and on this it tells just all about the products that you are getting in the box. Just kind of explains about the products. So the first thing is by the brand DUCALM. It is the Walkout Clean Pre-Moistened Body Cleansing Cloth. It says, no time to shower? No problem. This wipe is a luxury cleansing cloth to wipe head to toe that is unscented, paraben, alcohol, sulfate, phthalate, and phthalate-free, providing a gentle clean on the go. This is the thickest wipe on the market, designed to be a full shower. Marshmallow root extract, aloe, oat, and cucumber extracts calm the skin with this soothing wipe. This wipe is perfect for a quick cleanse, either after a workout, flight, or a midday refresher. So that's really cool, because you hear of facial cleansing cloths, but this is really cool that there is a cleansing cloth actually for your body. So yeah, this does sound really great for if you're at the gym and you don't have time to take a shower before maybe you're going to something after the gym. So that is really handy. And the directions just say to wipe the face and body after exercise or anytime you need to cleanse when no shower is available. So that is really cool. I never knew that there was anything like this out there, but that's awesome. There's another product by the brand DUCALM. It is a Multitastic Balm Head to Toe Moisturizer. It's a lightweight lotion oil stick made from nourishing, high-performing oils that leave the skin naturally clear, firm, balanced, and glowing. It is a clear stick, and it kind of looks like it's a gel type of product, and it feels almost wet when you apply it to the skin, but it definitely feels like it's going to provide some good moisture. Really cool. It's not just for your face. It says that it's a head to toe moisturizer, so you can use it on your face, you can use it on your hands, you can use it anywhere that you need moisture. So I think that this is really cool, and it looks like it would just be really easy to just throw in your bag and just be able to have something to moisturize your skin when you need it. So you also get a little chocolate, which is by the brand Roca. I hope I'm saying that right. But it's dark chocolate, and I think it's a little cute to receive a little treat in here as well. That's always fun. So the next thing is by the brand Earth Harbor. It is their Celestine Hydra Plumping Serum. It's just in this cute little dropper type of bottle, and it smells really nice. It has a fresh citrusy type scent, and it feels really smooth on the skin. Doesn't feel sticky at all, which is great. So it says, get that goddess glow by plumping, hydrating, and replenishing the skin with the ultimate skin foods of seaweed peptides, cross-linked botanical hyaluronic acid, aloe juice, BHAs, and vitamins B5 plus C plus E from pomegranates. Celestine's feather-like consistency and smooth texture absorbs beautifully into skin, imparting each cell with the essential nutrients needed to visibly renew and nourish your skin from sunrise to sunset. No synthetics, vegan, and cruelty-free. So this sounds really good, and I can definitely agree that it has a very lightweight texture to it, and it also feels just really smooth on the skin, and it does absorb really nicely as well, and just leaves your skin with a nice glow. And this stuff also smells really nice, which is always a plus. Alrighty, and the last thing in the box, which is a very fun thing, it is a skincare tool. So it's by the brand ZAQ or ZAQ, I'm not really sure how they pronounce it. This is a rose quartz gua sha tool. So gua sha is really good for anti-aging and also improving circulation. So it's this little cute rose quartz gua sha tool. I like storing it in my mini skincare fridge. You don't have to do that, but I like it because it just makes it extra cool. But the stone itself is already cool. So this part is normally for this area, and then the larger part is normally for the larger parts of the face. And you can actually use gua sha on your body as well. It doesn't have to be just for your face. It has a little card as well, and it says the benefits of gua sha. It says improves blood circulation and skin tone. It helps with the elasticity of the skin, and it also helps improve lymphatic drainage and oxygenation of the skin. It helps to reduce puffiness and wrinkles, and then it also helps to reduce dark circles. It helps to eliminate toxins, and it also helps to tighten and reduce pore size. So that sounds like a bunch of good stuff. So I really do enjoy using the one that I have, and I am excited to try this one out as well. Alrighty, so that is everything for the March subscription box. And I think that this is a really cool way to try out clean beauty products. Now, if you're new to using clean beauty, subscription boxes can really help you find new things and try new things, because sometimes it can be hard to just figure out what products to try, and it can get a little bit overwhelming. So this is just a really cool way to try things out and learn things from different brands. So I hope that you guys found this video helpful, and I hope that you liked it. If you would like to see more videos from me in the future, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye guys!